Okay, so for my project, the first things first, I will play the game to just show it. So, oh wait, it's the title page, so run. So, just how to play at the start, find components around the room. In order to escape, your components will be visible at the bottom of the screen. There's text boxes to enter codes if needed at the bottom of the screen. Good luck. So, you can go around, you can click things, you can see things that interact at the bottom. It's locked, might do something. This also appears in both rooms, the same message. The first thing you do, you want to get this hammer right here, so you click it and you can see it says hammer found. It also shows at the bottom and it continues throughout the rooms. So with the hammer you want to find the next thing to do. The next most logical thing is try to break a vase. Note found, and you can enter the code you find in. You can see this is locked. You enter the code, gray key found. This is unlocked. You find the gray key, and yeah, this still says note found, already open, still locked. Just random things. So with the gray key, you can open this. So you find the scissors, and you can see it still shows in between rooms. Then with the scissors, you want to open the pillowcase. Note found, 1982, enter in the note, try it. Purple key found. So with the, you can see this is open now because the purple key is found. With the purple key, you click on the door, and then it says something happened. And then you click it again, and boom. So it brings you to this new safe room that you haven't seen before. So find the 1982 in the TV screen. Enter in the location of the first digit once found, no spaces, just the location EX. There's just an example. So just give me a second to find the 1982. Oh wait, I have a shortcut down here in the console. So it randomizes every time, by the way. But the code, the 1982, is just in a random position every time as well, and all the numbers are randomized. So this is the position right here. So 1 and 18. So if you can see by going to row 1, so 0, 1, and then all the way to 18, 1982, right here. So you enter in the location. So this is at location 1 and 18. So you just 1, 18. Boom, try it. You found the key. Congratulations on your escape. And it shows how long it took to find the code. And 54 seconds. And yeah, then you can click exit. And this also sorts just for like a visual thing. It sorts after. And yeah, you can click exit because you're done. This also, the time goes in a saved file. Sure you want to exit? Yes. And as for the code, so for the title page, it's just initializing the frame. Yeah, there's not much with the title page, just the title page. It's just text instructions, all that. Then the main room, you head over here. You have you have the constructor here, the next room. The object of it is where you can access the other room. Where the actual main escape parts happens. These two rooms are quite identical, other than this room passes it through the constructor here instead, just so it's a loop. Okay, I thought that stopped. So yeah, basically most of the criteria is not in this main room. That's why I made that other room, so I won't show this too much, but it just has scissors, found scissors, and I did that both in both classes, like the found scissors, all these booleans up here, I did them in both classes, so you can access both from either class, and you can see if the other class has it, and if so, then you can see when I click next room, if has scissors, found scissors, next room dot scissors is found. Same thing with the hammer in this room with the previous button, wherever it is. If I think, no, that's not it. Oh, I think it's at the top, to be honest. Yeah, sorry. It's at the top, so if has hammer, blah, blah. And that goes through the same button hammer. All the buttons are invisible as well, so opaque, all that stuff. button safe. I have a bunch of things at the bottom of the room. Show room, hide room. Scissors is found, has hammer, has all this. Previous button, hammer found, great key found. Okay, yeah, for the main part though, with all the criteria. So I have the 2D array, main array, 11 to 24. It's that numbers just so it can fit the screen. Just hard coded it so it can fit the screen. I also have a random row and a random column. That's for the code, just to go into a random spot. So I also have a start time to get the current time. So right here, let me go down to all these things. So this is the make array. This happens right at the start, so it makes the random array. Where is it? I have the random somewhere. Oh, sorry. This at the start sets the whole array equal to 10. And then after that, it sets the... Oh, sorry. After that, it puts in the random code into the thing, into the array. And then it, this is just here to display the array in the console for me. Then right here, so if the ij equals 10, it will immediately start to actually fill in the random numbers with all this. And these are to see if it's equal. So if is ij equals 1, hold equals hold plus 1. And, yep. And, yes, down here. Just adds this all to the string array, or the string I have, just so I can actually set the text easy, because it's hard with the 2D arrays. And then down here is the search for when you it searches for the location of the array, or of the code, sorry, and then it just prints that out in the bottom here, and it changes this search code string value at the very top. And then this also sorts it at the end. When it's all done, it sorts it completely. And then, where is this? This is the text file safe down here. Yeah, then back to the try button. Yeah, so this is if holder dot equals, so if the string dot equals the input text, if it equals, and then sorry, this holder equals the input text, and if the holder equals the search code, then it will do all this. So you found the key, then it sorts the array, it gets the elapsed time, tells you the time, and it sends it to the text file. And then this is the button exit, and yes, I think that covers everything. Let me just quickly see if I covered everything, just so I know. I don't, so a quick thing, I don't have any comments or recursion. I don't have recursion either. Yeah, you can do what you want with that. Sorry, let me just quickly double check. I have way too many tabs open. I think it's here. Oh no, I think it's back here. Ah, sorry, okay. How class build, okay, yeah. And so that should be everything then. Yeah, that's the game.